Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring some fascinating psychological facts about human sexuality. Let's dive in with these intriguing insights. 79% of men fall into the growers category, while 21% are showers. Women with higher testosterone levels tend to prefer masturbation over sex with a partner. Straight men generally prefer vaginal intercourse as their top sexual act. Did you know it's possible to become physically aroused without feeling sexually stimulated? Experience gymphoria, a unique sensation of someone mentally and visually dressing you. Interesting fact, overweight men tend to last over 3 times longer in bed due to a rare abnormality known as uterus delays. A very small number of individuals have vaginal canals, an intriguing anatomical variation. Sperm travels at an impressive 28 miles per hour, but slows down once it enters the vagina. Greek couples lead globally, having sex 138 times a year, while Japan ranks last with couples having sex only 45 times per year. Additionally, 75% of Japanese women own a vibrator. Yes, men have sensitive nipples too. Ever wondered why testes hang below the body? It's to maintain a slightly cooler temperature, ideal for sperm production. Men tend to age better from the neck up, resisting wrinkles and sagging more effectively than women. Surprisingly, 1 out of 100 people identify as asexual, having never experienced sexual attraction. Some women have a rare ability to lift weights with their vagina. Women over 40 are statistically more likely to experience multiple orgasms compared to younger women. Here's an interesting health tip. 1 orgasm a day may reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Women who indulge in chocolate daily tend to have a greater desire for sex. Did you know the average shelf life of a latex condom is 3 to 5 years? Explore the top 10 most sexually satisfied countries, with Japan ranking last at only 15%. Interestingly, some mums may be ready for postpartum sex sooner than the advised 6-week period. Tips for gentlemen. To last longer, start slow and ensure complete satisfaction for your partner during sex. Spice up your sex life by incorporating fantasies, as it adds real interest. Fun fact: the average male orgasm lasts a mere 6 seconds. Almost all women need below-the-belt stimulation for orgasm, but around 1% can achieve it through nipple stimulation.